Today we'll explore how to connect and utilize a USB flash drive on Windows. When you connect a USB device to your PC, you'll receive a notification indicating that a device has been connected. You have the option to choose what happens with the device, allowing you to either extract its contents or import files from your PC. To confirm if your USB is connected, you can click on the drop-down icon, where you'll typically find a USB icon. If the icon is not visible, you can navigate to the Open Folders option, located either in your taskbar or on your desktop. Once you've accessed the files and folders, select this PC, where you'll see your USB device listed under Devices and Drives. To transfer files to your USB, simply right-click on the file, select Show More Options, then choose Send To, and finally, select your USB device. This method allows you to transfer files, folders, images, and more. When you're ready to eject the USB, simply right-click on the USB icon and select the Eject option. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to today's video.